I'm going to show you how I went from this dirty wood stove screen to this in 6 minutes and 57 seconds using this Weiman, it's a glass stovetop cleaner. And I cleaned my stove the other day and I thought, oh man, I wonder if it would work on this because this thing has been driving me crazy. I don't even like to burn anything in it because it looks so ugly. So I thought I'm going to give it a try, and I grabbed the little pad that comes with it. It's a little kit. And I just started scrubbing away, and I am not kidding. This took 6 minutes and 57 seconds. And I came out with a perfectly clean screen, and I'm never going to have to worry about it again. I'll go ahead and build fires and actually use this because I know that I can get it clean again. I'm going to link this in my descriptions below if you're interested. It worked like magic on this wood stove.